Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video we'll take a look at Substack. I'll share my own experience of how can we create content here and how can we earn money. Basically, they provide us the opportunity to interact with our subscribers, and which is pretty cool. We can easily get 90% of all revenue of all subscriptions here. And as you can see on the Substack, we have a couple of folders for writers and for readers. So here we can go to writers area and we can find that we can easily switch to Substack. We can import our mailing list and writing archives from different platforms: WordPress, Medium, Tumblr, MailChimp, TinyLetter, and so on. It's like true independence. Own all your content, own your subscriber list, build a community, keep 90% of your revenue, which is pretty cool. Also, we have like subscription publishing made simple. Choose which posts you publish as a free or only for paid subscribers. Zero tech knowledge required. They take all cares of everything except the hard part, to create the content, of course. And basically we can even calculate how much will we get. If you'll have like 800 subscribers for $7 per month, we can earn $4,600, which is like insane. And basically we don't have to get like a lot of subs to earn like $1,000 per month, which is like pretty cool. In order to get started, you can just simply click on get started in the right top on the main page, and after that you can create an account with your email and you'll be able to come to this page where we have all the things. So here what can we find? In the right top we have the option to interact with our account. Here we can open our home page. It looks like this. We can also manage the inbox, chat, activities, and we can open our account settings to basically interact with all the things, all with the notifications, profile icon, manage all the privacy settings here, manage the display stuff, publications, subscriptions, and so on. So as I already said, Substack is completely free. You don't have to do anything to pay something. You need just simply, if you want to pay, you can subscribe for someone. And the next page here is our home page, is that we can create different posts. So if you want to create something, you can just simply click on this like banner, then just add a text, add the images here, videos or some other files, and then just simply click on post. Nothing hard. In this case you'll be able to share it through different social networks: Twitter, Facebook. You can copy link and share it through your newsletters. So there are a lot of options of how to get subscribers on Substack. The next thing is that we can search for other creators. If you are going to click on search in the right top, so here we can try to search for someone. Let's try to use like this, and as you can see we have like these accounts. So it's definitely the best way of how to interact with them. And in this case it could be really easy to find yourself. So you can like say people that they can search for you through this search, and then they'll be able to interact with this stuff. Also, we have a couple of different content we can see. We can, for example, find the introducing video to Substack chat, the age of the serving creator, out of office options, and so on. So different articles you can try to read, and after that you'll be more informated about Substack. On the left side we also have a couple of options: home, inbox, where you can find all the things, paid features if you paid for something, chat, you can find all your subscribers here. Probably someone wanted to write something to you, an activity folder where you can find all of your activities, replies and mentions, risk tags, and so on. Also, we have the browse option and a new note. So it's pretty easy to interact with Substack itself. More harder is to get subscribers. So the best way of how to gain subscribers of Substack is to create content. As you can see, we have these like filter of recommended posts. If you're going to create something interesting, probably Substack will recommend you to other users, so people will be able to click on subscribe right up here to subscribe to you. The other thing of how can you get new subs is, of course, to share your account link through other social medias, through Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, Snapchat, and so on. So after that, they'll be able to basically subscribe for you through paid stuff, and in this case it will be pretty good as for you, because you'll have like monthly recurring payments. You can set the price and basically then get all the things. So as you can see, nothing really hard to interact with the Substack. As I already said, we don't have the option to pay for any paid subscriptions here. All you need to pay for is for if you want to basically get some paid content from someone. So our profile looks like this. As you can see, we have the name, avatar, nickname here. Also, we have the description, so it's definitely better to get the description. We can manage all the things here, find posts, notes, links, reads, and basically that's all on the profile. If people want to subscribe, they be able to subscribe. As you can see, they have a lot of paid subscriptions, so we can click on subscribe and then just simply select the necessary mail we'd like to subscribe with, and in this case then we can continue to get some subscriptions. So basically, if you have any like questions, or if you want to get some more information about Substack, you can write it in the comments below. I don't think that it could be hard as for you to understand of how to interact with Substack itself. So hope guys that this video helped you out, and if it is, you can write something in the comments. Nothing hard, just simply open the Substack and try to use it, read these articles inside of the platform, and you are ready to create content, to subscribe for someone, to make money here, and so on. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe. Goodbye.